I want to do an unboxing on this TrueSeaMoss that is being gifted to me, and I just want to share with you. This is got a, it's like a thermal packaging, I think is what I read about it. And it's like a bubble wrap, but it's got like a silver type of a protective on the outside here to help keep it cooler, I think is what the plan is there. And then it's got a bottle there and a little information sheet as well. Now, first thing I notice is that there is an expiration date on the top. I had read that it is something that once you open it up, you put it in the refrigerator, and it's good for up to 4 weeks in the refrigerator once it's opened. Or you can store this in the freezer for up to 6 months if you so choose. Now, it does say on this here that to optimize its texture and freshness, simply refrigerate the gel for about 2 hours after delivery. So before I taste it, I will put it in the refrigerator for a couple hours, and then I will make a different shorter video about how it tastes and what I feel about that. Now, this has some incredible ingredients in it. I've never tasted any sea moss type of a product before, so I'm really interested to see what that is going to taste like. In the back of my mind, I'm like freaking out a little bit because I'm thinking it's going to taste like sea moss, which does not sound amazing, but this is mango flavored. Now, what I like about this particular one is that it's the 5-in-1 immune support. Now, with that, it has the ashwagandha in it, which I love products with ashwagandha. So that's exciting for me. And then the black seed oil, ginger, and vitamin C, lots of antioxidants in it. And that is amazing for me. I love that so much. It is really tiny print. So this is something that is, depending on how good your eyesight, as to whether you're going to need some help reading it. So I'm going to try to hold it still there so that you can see. Wildcrafted sea moss packed with over 90 essential minerals your body needs daily to boost your immune system and improve your well-being. Black seed oil full of thymoquinone. I'm not sure if that's pronounced correctly. It's an antioxidant that helps with your immune system. It helps it stay balanced and effective. The ashwagandha, of course, has amazing benefits as well. And the ginger, ooh, love ginger. So really excited that it has ginger in it and vitamin C. We all know what vitamin C does for us as well. Now, they're saying that a serving size is 2 tablespoons. And there's the nutritional benefits there. And the ingredients: purified water, wild crafted sea moss, black seed oil, ashwagandha, ginger, vitamin C, mango puree, lime puree, monk fruit juice concentrate. Now, the monk fruit is a natural sweetener, so that's going to help with the flavor there, and ascorbic acid. And again, they suggest taking 2 tablespoons per day. It's not recommended to take on an empty stomach. Good to know. And there's where it says to keep refrigerated after opening. For unopened product, best used before the date mentioned on the lid. Once opened, store in a refrigerator and consume within 4 weeks. So that's the lowdown on what's on the bottle here. Now, I do love that this is something that is created and made and manufactured right in Los Angeles, California. And it's definitely all natural. I love the sugar-free sweetness with the mango flavor is, mango and is a very, very good for you type of a fruit. So I'm loving the benefits that we'll see from that, as well as the lime puree will give it a little tartness. I'm really excited to see what it's gonna taste like. Now, This is a 16-ounce jar. That is great. It's sealed on the top, and it's, yeah, it's got like a metal lid, so it's going to probably be one of those that when you open it, you can tell that it's sealed really true. If it doesn't pop, then it's not a good seal on it. This is GMO free. It is lab tested, gluten free. There's no added sugar, and it's 100% vegan. So that gives you just the lowdown on what they have sent. I'm excited to taste it and give you a few more tips that I have heard about in my next video.